In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an Eventbrite guest list. This process will help you efficiently manage your event attendees. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to Eventbrite. Head over to eventbrite.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your event dashboard. This area is your control center for managing everything about your event. Next, it's time to go to the attendee list. On your dashboard, select the specific event you're working with. From there, click on Manage Attendees and then choose Attendee List. This is where you'll see everyone who has signed up for your event. With the attendee list in view, you can now customize your guest list. You have the flexibility to adjust what you see. You can sort the list by first name, last name, or even ticket type. It's important because it helps you organize your check-in process. You can also choose specific ticket types to focus on particular groups. Optionally, you can include email addresses, ticket types, or even barcodes for quick scanning. This customization is essential for tailoring the list to meet your event's unique needs. Now that your list is customized, it's time to download it as a PDF. Click on Download List as PDF and wait for the file to generate. It may take a moment, so be patient. Once it's ready, open the PDF on your device. This ensures you have a clean, readable format of your guest list ready for printing. With your PDF open, it's time to print the list. Tap or click the Print option. Choose your printer from the list of available devices. Then go ahead and print the document. This step is crucial because it gives you a physical copy you can use at your event. Now that you have your printed guest list, you can use it at your event. At the venue, you have a couple of options. You can manually mark attendees as they arrive, a method that provides a tangible way to track attendance. Alternatively, you can use the printed list as a backup for digital check-in. This is important because technology can sometimes be unpredictable, and having a backup ensures you're prepared for any situation. Remember, having a well-organized guest list can streamline your event check-in process. It not only saves time, but also reduces the stress of managing attendees. By following these steps, you've set yourself up for a smoother, more efficient event. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your guest list with ease. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a successful event and see you next time.